Hi everyone, welcome back to Keto Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create thumbnails using ChatGPT, or you can recreate any thumbnail you want. So let's suppose you want to recreate a thumbnail that you see on YouTube, then you can do that and you can edit that thumbnail in your Canva as well. So let's create a new thumbnail from scratch. So for this, what I can do is I will go to ChatGPT and I will click on plus, and here I will click on create image. Now here you can select your aspect ratio to 16:9, and you can give a prompt like create a video thumbnail. You can add a quotation mark here like, and you can add more prompts like make it professional. All right, let's send prompt. ChatGPT generated our thumbnail, so it is looking good, but I don't want this logo in my thumbnail and I don't want this logo, so I can make edits by adding more prompts like remove the text. Let's hit enter. So it is very tedious to give prompt every time and make small changes in ChatGPT. So instead what you can do is you can just copy the image and make it editable in Canva. So how you can do that? Let's wait for the result first. All right, as you can see, we have removed the logo and the text from our thumbnail, but I want to make this thumbnail editable in Canva. So what I can do is I will just download this image, and now I will go to apps. Now you can search for the app Canva and click on here. Now you need to connect your Canva account. I will click on sign in with Canva and I will click on allow. Now the authorization is successful. Alright, as you can see, Canva is now connected. Let's click on start chat. Now you can click on plus and you can also select your Canva app. Now you can upload the image that you have just generated using ChatGPT. So here is the image, and I will give a prompt like make it editable in Canva. As you can see, ChatGPT now convert our image to an editable format. So you can just click on customize the design. Now image is fully editable. So now you can drag any element you want. So here you can see all the layers. So all the layers is now separated. So you can select any of the elements, and if you don't want that, you can delete that element from your thumbnail, and you can change your image. You can upload your own custom image to your thumbnail. You can change your text like this. So you can also download any thumbnail that you like. Let's suppose you want to use this thumbnail, then what I can do is I will click on share, click on copy, and I will download this thumbnail, and let me download it. Now I will go to ChatGPT, click on plus, click on Canva, and I will upload the thumbnail, and I will add like make it editable in Canva and hit enter. Now it has created a editable version. Let me click on customize the design. So basically you can copy any thumbnail you want. So you can just go to YouTube, find the topic and check which thumbnail is looking good. Now you can recreate that thumbnail using ChatGPT and Canva. So as you can see, it is now fully editable. So you can delete the image and you can add your own image. So let me upload my image here, and I will remove the background like this, and I will resize it. So in this way you can easily edit any thumbnail. You can change your text, and I can reduce the size as well, and I can change the text color as well like this, and I can delete any elements if I want. So it is fully editable. So instead of asking prompts and make changes using ChatGPT, you can convert that into an editable format and edit that in Canva pretty easily. I hope you have learned something new, how you can create thumbnails using ChatGPT and Canva pretty easily. And if you found this trick helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and let me know on which topic you want me to make videos next, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you.